Welcome back to another Unlayer integration tutorial. My name is Daniel, and in this video I'll demonstrate how you can embed Unlayer into your React, Vue, and Angular application. I'll also show you how you can launch the editor into our 4 different display modes. For instance, email, web, document, and pop-up. So let's quickly get started. There's one thing that I want to show you guys is that the Unlayer developer console that we talked about earlier, it contains the complete guide on how you can integrate or embed Unlayer into your applications, whether it's a React application, a Vue, Angular, or even a plain JavaScript application. In order for you to get those details, you simply have to go into the builder settings under developer settings here. So let's go inside it and select installation here. There you will see all the options that you have available currently. So I'll just click on React for now. Let's say, if I click on it, you can see we have the complete steps for, starting from the installation of the package to the code example to the methods that we have and the properties as well. If you want to see the documentation for this one, you can simply click on documentation here. It will route you to the documentation, and then you can see all the details here as well. Similarly, if you want to see a live demo, how this would actually work in your application as well. And same is the case for Vue application, for Angular as well. So the documentation, live demo, even a video overview, everything is available for all 3 application types or all 3 frameworks. Now let's quickly get started with how it would look for you to actually embed Unlayer into a React application. So I have a starter React application on my end, and all I did was, after installing the React email editor package, was simply create a new email component.js file and added some code into it. I just added some methods, and at the end, as you can see right here, I initialized the component and then provided the initialization configurations inside the options property. Now this is very important for you to understand, because all the important configurations such as the display mode, the version, the project ID, everything goes inside the options prop. So you have to make sure that everything that you provide here is correct. And that's pretty much it. Once that is done, I simply refer this component inside the main app.js class, and that's pretty much it. And this would actually, if I run it, you would see that this is how this would look on your end as well. You can see how simple it is for you to actually just embed Unlayer into the React application. Now let's move towards the Vue application. It's exactly the same thing. After installing the npm package of Vue email editor, I simply added this code inside the app.vue file, and inside the options prop here again, I simply added some important configurations. And once it is done, I simply run the application, and this is what you get once the application is started. So this is how easy it is for you to integrate Unlayer into the Vue application as well. I can quickly go to the Angular application as well, and it has the exact same steps as I did before. So once you install the package inside your application, the Angular email editor, all you have to do is just provide the necessary code inside the app.component.ts file and just provide the essential configurations, and that's pretty much it. And again, as you can see here, I've provided all the configurations inside the options prop here that is displayed. And once this application is run, you can see it has the same output, same editor that is loaded into it. So you can see how easy it is for you to simply integrate. All you have to do is just follow the steps, the guide that is provided to you in the console or even in the documentation, and you will be able to actually pretty much very easily integrate Unlayer into your applications. Let's move on to the display modes for your use cases, right? So let's say if I want to go to web display mode, where I want to create web pages, so all I would have to do is just change the display mode from email to web here, and I'll save this file, and this will automatically reload the editor on my end. And there we go. So we have this web page mode available now. As you can see, we have a form tool which is only available in the Unlayer's web display mode. Similarly, if I go back and change it to document, save the file again, this will again generate the document editor inside your application, as you can see right here. So you can have page breaks, columns, if you want to add some images and everything else, it's pretty much exactly the same. And finally, if you want to change it to pop-up mode, you simply have to provide pop-up here and save the file again. This will reload the editor, and you will see a pop-up builder right here. So this was all in regards to how you can integrate Unlayer into your React, Vue, and Angular applications, and how you can change the display modes as per your requirement to fulfill your use cases. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, any confusions regarding these configurations, just feel free to reach out to us. We're always willing to help. Have a nice day.